In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Lovable with Linear. First, open your browser and head to the Lovable website, then sign into your account. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard. Take a moment to get familiar with the layout because we'll be navigating from here. Look toward the bottom of the dashboard for your account icon. That icon is your gateway to your personal and workspace settings. Click the account icon, then choose Settings. This will bring you to the settings area where all integrations and configuration options live. Inside Settings, find and open the Connectors section. This is where Lovable organizes the tools it can connect with. In the Connectors area, use the search or filter to type in Linear. You should now see options for connecting to Linear. At this point, you'll likely notice two approaches: a direct linear connector or a connection through MCP. The direct connector is typically the most straightforward for most teams, while MCP can be useful if your organization uses a control plane or shared integration layer. Choose the option that fits your setup best. If you're unsure, the direct linear connector is usually a safe starting point. Once you've selected the option you prefer, look for the Add Connection button and click it. You'll be guided into a brief setup flow. Next, click Connect to begin authorizing the integration. A confirmation prompt will appear. Go ahead and choose Yes, Connect. This simply confirms that Lovable has permission to talk to Linear on your behalf. You'll be redirected to sign into Linear if you aren't already. Make sure you log in with the correct account and choose the appropriate workspace if your organization uses more than one. If your company uses single sign-on, follow those prompts as they appear. During authorization, Linear may list the specific permissions Lovable is requesting. Review them to ensure they align with your team's policies, then proceed. A quick tip: if nothing happens after you click Connect, check your browser for blocked pop-ups or third-party cookies, as the authorization window may have been prevented from opening. Also, ensure you have the necessary permissions in Linear to approve integrations. If you don't, you might need an admin to complete this step. Once authorization completes, you'll be brought back to Lovable, where your new Linear connection will appear in your connectors list. That's it. Your tools are now connected. From here, you can start using Lovable alongside Linear to streamline your issues and workflows without switching contexts. Thanks for following along, and enjoy your newly connected Lovable and Linear setup.